हॅलो एव्हरीवन, तुम्हा सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे माझ्या मिनी व्लॉगमध्ये. मिनी व्लॉग आवडत असेल तर योगिता सागर यूट्यूब चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा.
Oh, I love my new haircut.
In the moment, nothing to hide. Enjoy your day, let the sun shine in. Let the sunshine feel the breeze. Let the good vibes begin. Let the good vibes begin. No worries now, just let it all sway. Just let it all take a breath and enjoy your day. Hey. When the clouds come rolling in, remember the light within. Every moment's a chance to win, so let the happiness begin. Enjoy your day, let the sunshine